Stop treating your crypto exchange bonuses like casino chips. Most traders lose these trial funds gambling on 100x leverage. But smart traders, they use a strategy called bonus hedging to convert this fake money into real, withdrawable cash. In this video, I will show you the exact mathematical formula to extract these bonuses safely using an arbitrage strategy. No gambling, just math. First, what is this strategy? It's called bonus washing or melting. Exchanges give you trial funds for marketing. You can't withdraw them, but you can withdraw the profits. The goal here is market neutrality. We are not betting on Bitcoin going up or down. We simply want to intentionally lose the bonus on exchange A and win that exact amount on exchange B using our own cash. We are effectively transferring the balance. Let's look at a real-world example. Step 1. You have exchange A with $500 of your cash and $500 bonus. Total margin is $1,000. Step 2. You have exchange B with $1,000 of real cash. Step 3. Open a short position on exchange, the bonus account, and a long position on exchange B. Step 4. Wait for the price to rise. If Bitcoin pumps, your short position on exchange A gets liquidated. The bonus is gone, but your long position on exchange B profits by $1,000. Result, you started with $1,500 cash total. You ended with $2,000 cash on exchange B. You just unlocked $500 profit. Wait. Before you try this, there is one critical rule: loss deduction ratio. Not all exchanges are the same. Some exchanges deduct losses from the bonus first. This is what we want: 100% deduction. However, some exchanges deduct from your cash first, 0% deduction. If you use this strategy there, you will just lose your own money. Always check the terms and conditions. I have compiled a list of safe exchanges in the blog link below. Lastly, security. Exchanges hate abusers. If you are doing this with family accounts, never use the same Wi-Fi. Follow the one person, one device, one IP rule. And when moving funds, never transfer directly between your accounts. Use a bridge exchange like Binance to stay anonymous. This strategy is powerful, but execution risks like slippage do exist. I've uploaded a calculator and a step-by-step guide on my blog. Click the link in the description to get it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto alpha. Trade safe!